We've got an Accelerate Yellow Convertible. Byron Glover Jr. coming to you live. Just got off work, about to take the Thunderbird up to Bowling Green, Kentucky. You guys have really seemed to love my C8 videos as of lately, so I'm gonna go up there to the plant, see if I can find some cool cars there to film. Hopefully, maybe another convertible. You guys seem to like that one as well. So we're gonna take the Thunderbird up there. We are not gonna take the Z06. Let's go ahead and get a cold start on that. We have not started this thing in forever. Let's go ahead and fire that up. Whoa! That's pretty loud, but it's really good weather, so we're just gonna cruise up there with the top down. As always, if you have not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's get rolling. In just 1 hour, we'll be up in Bowling Green. Let's go. All right, we have made it to Bowling Green. We are on high alert now. Keep your eyes peeled, everybody, for any and all C8 Coupes and C8 Hardtop convertibles. Here we go. It's always kind of exciting. I never know what I'm gonna see whenever I come out here. I'm gonna start up though in the front circle. There's a whole lineup of them there. Got a few. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look up here in the front little circle way. They got a couple of new ones up here on the little display. They did not have those there last time. Last time they had just a white one. All right, so we got a Z51 here in Long Beach metallic. And then we got a silver, or blade silver rather. And then we got a Zeus bronze hanging out over there. Came around to this little side lot over here, right by the big mural that you can see from the interstate, and we've got 3 convertibles, so that's pretty cool. We've got a torch red convertible, it's hard to say, Elkhart Lake blue, and then Zeus bronze. So that's pretty cool. I don't think anyone's ever seen these particular specs and convertible necessarily on the internet. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but there's 3 of them together, so I feel like that's kind of worth something. Pretty cool. On the hunt to see if I can find anything else for you guys. While I'm up here, I figured might as well drive around and see if we can find any out on the road like I did the very first time. So we're gonna have a little throwback to that, and we're gonna see if we can find some out and about. It's 5:45, so dinner time. So maybe we'll see some, you know, head to some of the restaurants here, and we'll stay tuned, guys. So you guys, I just pulled into a restaurant and saw another C8 over here. This one is Accelerate Yellow, and from the looks of it, I believe it is a convertible, at least from the backside. So indeed, we've got an Accelerate Yellow convertible. Check it out. First one I've seen, maybe the first one you guys have seen as well. Again, Drive 615 is always trying to bring you guys the most exclusive, high quality, and timely content. So here it is, Accelerate Yellow. This one has the non-body painted color nacelles, blacked out emblems.
doing?
Oh, good. Oh,
Sorry,
that's you? Sorry.
No, that's not me.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
No, I wish that was me.
Pretty cool seeing that in person again. And here we go, got the yellow calipers, although first time I saw these, I did not call them yellow. That color spec is just unique. I mean, it's weird. It's just a interesting lime green, brown, bronze mix.
It's yellow.
'Cause it just didn't look yellow to me, but this one's got some nice accents through there, colored seat belts, stitching. Give you one more look around of it, and we will be on our way to find the next. I see a C8 convertible right there. So basically, I didn't even see that. Basically, whenever I'm out here spotting these cars in Bowling Green, I just go with my intuition. So I could have either turned left or right, and I just felt a feeling to go right. So I turned right and drove past, and I saw it there at the drive-thru. So that was just, I mean, it's just hit or miss, honestly. And there's these cars are floating around Bowling Green because people from the plant are driving, people own them. You know, I can't tell what this one is. I think it's convertible. Looks like the top is down. So we'll back up here a little bit and then see if we can't get some shots of it driving on the road. I think that would be nice. I'm trying to get just as much content as I can of different colors, different specs, different lightings, different settings, just kind of all the above. So we will see it here shortly when it pulls out, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can just keep seeing more. I might come back up tomorrow morning and see if I can do some more spotting before work and just see what all I can find here in the early morning time. Maybe a different crowd of people will be out, so we'll see some more specs. There's a good couple rollers of it, I think. A couple different perspectives. I'll put the window down for this one. Might be a little bit windy, but all right, Drive 615. So that about wraps it up. It's starting to get dark here in Bowling Green. I'm getting a little bit tired and hungry, so I'm gonna head back home. I think I'm gonna aim for coming up here tomorrow morning. I think that'd be good to see a different perspective. I saw some at the night time, and it's a different crowd than maybe what I'll see in the morning. So I think I'm gonna come up here. Stay tuned for the next video where I swing by here in the early morning and see what all I can find. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Had a little bit of a variety for you and tried the best I could. And we'll see you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, leave a like and a comment, and we'll talk to you later.